In today's video, I am going to teach you how to extract the first name from email address in Excel. This is a quick Excel text trick that can save you a lot of manual typing. You will take email-style text, and you will pull out only the first name that appears before the first dot. To get started, open your Excel worksheet and locate the top left area where you want your results. You will use column A for the email addresses and column B for the extracted first names. Type email address into cell A1 and type first name into cell B1. Taking a moment to set up clear headers like this makes your sheet easier to read, especially if you share it or come back to it later. Now you are ready to enter your sample data. Next, type your data strings into the email column. In this example, enter the first email style value into cell A2 and enter the next one into cell A3. As you do this, focus on the part that matters most. The first name in the email text appears before the first period. The Excel formulas you will use depend on that consistent structure. After you enter the data, it helps to think about what you are about to do. You are going to place the extraction result in the first row under the first name header. Click on cell B2 to select your text extraction destination cell. This is important because Excel formulas will write their results into whichever cell you have selected. Once B2 is selected, you will type the formula exactly. Enter the following formula directly into cell B2, =left A2, find B, A2 1. After typing it, pause for a second to understand what each part does. Left takes characters from the left side of the text. Find V searches for the location of the first period inside the email address. Then subtracting 1 ensures you stop just before the period, so the period itself is not included. Now press the Enter key on your keyboard. Excel will instantly isolate the first name for the value in A2 and display it in cell B2. If the email text follows the expected pattern with a period between the first and last name, you should see only the first name cleanly extracted. With the first formula working, you can repeat the same process for the next row. Click on cell B3 to prepare your next calculation row text field. Selecting the correct cell ensures the formula you enter will correspond to the email address in cell A3. Now type the same kind of formula, but make sure it points to A3. Enter this formula directly into cell B3, =left A3, find A3 1. This adjustment matters because you want the find function to locate the period inside the specific email address found in A3, and the left function should pull characters from that same cell. When you have entered the formula, press the Enter key. Excel will complete your column parsing setup and display the first name extracted from the email in A3 inside cell B3. At this point, you have a working method you can copy to other rows whenever you need to extract the first name from similarly formatted email addresses. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.